Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Check that your USB Wi-Fi adapter matches your operating system and the USB port type. Once done, download the latest driver package so you won't stall mid-process. Plug the adapter into a powered USB port, watch for the LED indicator, and let the system detect the device. If the OS prompts for drivers, point it to the package you downloaded. Make sure the adapter is seated firmly. Poor contact causes intermittent recognition and slows the whole setup. Once the adapter is installed, open your network settings and enable the new wireless interface if needed. You'll see available SSIDs. Select your network, type the password, and prefer WPA2 or WPA3 security for better protection. After connecting, make sure your IP configuration is correct. DHCP works in most home setups, yet some networks require a static IP and custom DNS. Also, enable network sharing only when necessary, because open sharing increases exposure. This middle phase ensures stable addressing and secure access to the internet. You finish by verifying the link, run a speed test, and load several pages to confirm stability. Make sure the adapter is set to auto-connect and install any firmware updates the manufacturer provides. This fixes many edge issues. If you plan to move the adapter between devices, use the safe eject procedure to avoid corruption. If things go wrong, first reinstall the driver. Then try a different USB port or a powered hub. These fixes address common power and compatibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.